servo motors,
This will be zero, very here soon.
do they communicate to the
That's
board?
They're all.
So that's
That's all
zero.
zero.
That's zero is
That's
different
zero.
from ours.
They're all zero for here except D5, D6, and D3. So it's 80, 50, 30. So this part's 80. This is 15.
So which,
15?
yeah, just what numbers are which? So D5,
So
what's that one?
D5 is 80.
80,
D6 is 15.
15.
D3 is 30. And everything else is D0. I mean 0.
For
Can
right
you
now.
turn this base more?
Yeah, we need to
So
turn
the
it like
forward
all the way
doesn't-
this side.
I'm sorry, go ahead. I'm sorry. I was paying attention.
Need to turn this all the way this side because the wires are on
Oh.
this side. Like
Don't
turn it
think-
180 degrees.
That's right.
It's 9.
So are we sure it's not relative to where we start up at, seeing as its zero coordinates different from what our zero coordinates
This is
are?
not zero. This is what
But
it
your
is.
zero was when it was curved like
This.
this.
This,
Oh, let's see this.
this is zero.
That's 0
This will be zero soon.
So this is.
That's zero.
And when we put all zeros, ours
It
is
was
not
like
like
that.
that.
for.
Yeah.
What does it look like when
Oh,
yours is all
Let,
zero?
let me put all 0 for now.
Okay.
I'll
But did you put all,
80.
well, that, how did your zero look if you started it relative to how we started ours? We started ours with the claw closed, the motor facing
I
the board.
commented out the reset function, so I just put everything there. I'm not sure that, I don't think that makes a difference. But. So this, oh shit, double 0.
So this is okay.
Yeah, that's zero.
Can we try it?
No, it's here, what?
Hmm.
What is that?
78, 70. It's what I had earlier, but it's
I'm
not
gonna
good.
try to do the same thing too. So,
Claws are reversed.
Can you move D9 to 180 degrees?
D9 to 180. These because the grease made it look.
For some reason, my claws are reversed.
It's 180
Oops.
It's 180.
So 180 is the,
that way.
yeah, this is the exact one what we need, right? So for D9, 180 is the reset, as it reset
Okay,
angle.
that's the reset angle, okay.
Okay, now we can work on 6.
Okay,
6
yeah,
was
this-
80, right? Okay. Now we need to work on the 3.
I'm sure 45.
And this one's not all the way straightened out.
It's okay,
That's-
that's a little bit like
Alright,
the
15.
error.
I don't think it's gonna be perfectly straight either.
Yeah. It should be good enough, it's
50,
like
60?
this,
I'm sure.
facing
try
this way,
60.
that's it. We need 75.
Okay, I hit the wrong.
Okay. This is fine, right?
Yeah, that's
So 75 for this.
Okay.
180, then the jaw is, this is fine, right?
I mean, I think
No,
that's good.
the top thing,
I think that's good.
yeah,
Yeah.
so,
So now you're gonna run
I'm gonna run everything.
everything, and then when it goes back to reset function, you should go back to that.
Yeah.
That'll be excellent if that happens.
yeah. So 180, 75,
You're right, it's not exactly straight, but those values are really close. If we
So
started
we
more
should be fine
precisely,
with
it should
this,
be good,
yeah.
yeah. Beautiful.
Perfect.
Oh
Good.
my goodness.
Yes.
That is great, thank you. That is perfect. All
So
right,
now what we need to do is,
that
make
is,
it, pick some stuff.
that's
Do
standard.
we have
rules.
anything
It
like
needs to
a
be-
light and this big?
I think the next thing is making sure you
Yeah.
can get it so the
This
code
should be
can
good enough,
transfer
but
from
it's
this robot
heavy.
to that robot.
I'm not sure.
No problem.
Well, we actually already can. If he starts his
Can you
robot,
make a ball
just like
with
how we
this?
started ours
The
physically,
whole thing, the
manually,
tissue ball, no,
then
no,
runs
can
this
you-
program, his robot should do the exact same thing.
That way, proof of concept though.
Yeah, no, I agree, bro, I agree. But,
Usually sets this out
No,
first.
no, I agree.
See-
The only problem with his robot is his joints aren't,
Can you make
that
it pick
joint
this?
is not lubricated.
Oh,
And also, we have more
Yeah, this
bolts
should be
on
light
board,
and
so
good enough
that
to
could
pick it,
have an
yeah.
effect.
that can have an effect.
'Cause this is at 12.1, 12.2 volts.
And you checked what his batteries were at?
His is only 3.7 volts.
That's what his battery said?
Yeah, now it should move the same speed, just have more torque. But I'm not exactly sure what the difference is. Like, if we turn off this power, can you run that program again? We'll cut power. Oh, where is the power bit? We'll cut power. Now we're only at like 2.5 volts. That's what that supplies.
You want me to run it?
Yeah, and let's see what happens without the power supply. Beautiful, so it only increases torque. That's awesome. All right, we are good.
So.
We are good to go.
What time?
That's great.
It starts at like this and also ends up
5:47.
like this.
Yeah, even with less power. So I was just wondering how it would affect, how would it,
Yeah,
it
it's
would
that means
affect
the
it.
bands could technically
Yeah.
work on this.
So
On the
what's
same,
angle?
yeah,
on the
no
same
matter what the
side.
voltage is, yeah.
What's the angle when it's down, like the bend it down?
The
this
bookend, does
way?
that matter
I
too?
think it's.
For it to move like that or?
This is loose enough, right?
Yeah, I think it should.
That
try
could,
it out.
that
Which-
could make a
which-
difference though, for
Okay.
sure.
Are you talking about?
Hold
The-
up, what's up?
the
So
second last
I'm
one,
this
like,
one?
I was
this
referring to
one,
Chef.
like,
What's up?
the
No, we
whole
just-
thing that
so we
will
tested
make
it
it-
with 12 volts.
Okay.
Then we tested it with the 12 volt power supply off,
Is
and it worked the same, which means when you add the batteries, or like in our case, the power supply external, it only increases the torque of each joint. So they can handle a heavier
So what
load,
angle we move?
but it doesn't
things
change
to
the
make it
speed.
work?
So it's running at the same speed. Just more torque.
I'm gonna try it 90, so theoretically it should go this way.
So
Okay.
your robot
So it may go this
should
way.
be able to run that exact same program
Okay,
as
so
ours
that
and
is
end up in
90.
the same exact spot.
Or go near the end. But yeah, that's basically what, I put this to 90, so it should go this way now.
So I'm just asking what the angle is, like when it's
Oh,
this
so
way,
that
each
just-
angle,
Yeah, this is 90, from this point,
cause we need it to go like,
all the way.
can you run that?
Well, you know, if you move it manually right now, you're gonna throw off the reference points.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, anytime we touch it now, it's gonna
Oh,
go.
exactly.
Okay,
Yeah.
so, yeah,
No.
this is what I'm asking. So when it comes here, it should open the jaw, pick up this thing and then move.
So pick up the jaw.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what
okay.
I'm saying, we need to
Open
work
the
on
jaw
that.
and pick
Yeah.
up the jaw. Open the jaw,
Yeah.
close the jaw,
Close
and,
it.
yeah.
When
close
it's
it
at
and then
this
move.
point, it should open the jaw, pick up the thing and go over there or go on the top or something.
Yeah. Now, when we actually write programs like that, it's gonna be useful for us to download the other program that allows us to jog the robot and
Yeah.
record a data point. You know what I mean? That way, because if we try to do it this way, it'll be very, like, we can do it this way, but, the Python program we can download, we can do that.
We don't know Python.
You're also gonna
I
wanna
don't know.
start with the cloud.
Okay.
It's just a GUI, it's not like, yeah.
0.
Okay.
Yeah, we want
How, with the exact same values, this is what I have.
You started
You
it
can just
straight up.
move this thing, like, change this value should be good enough. But, your wires are in the way.
Wires are disastrous.
Here, let's just do
The
that.
cable management.
Much better.
Who did the cable?
Yeah, now it
Cable
looks
management.
better. And can you move
Did
this
he
thing to
see the
180
robot
or
last
360
week?
degrees?
Did you
So
show him
this why I should put that way.
the
What's-
thing last week, the professor with you went to class?
Um,
To 360
Oh,
degrees,
no,
so
because
this wire would be that.
he went through some lecture notes, then we asked him about the quiz, and the lecture ended, it was only like a 35-minute lecture.
Oh,
And then he said, don't worry about the quiz, and then that was it.
oh, okay.
So, yeah.
That is the wrong one.
He said the quiz would be about our progress and stuff, but like, he may not even do it at
And
this
then
point.
saying
You have an
there are
exam
some
too,
groups
or do
they
you know?
haven't even started.
No, we do
using.
It's just this?
Yeah, you're confused.
This is 100% of our grade?
Yeah. Which is kind of nice, because it makes you feel
I
good
mean, that's
about.
good, that's like,
far
oh,
as it's
that's
gonna go.
interesting.
That's
I
it?
never, one thing is graded, you know,
Yeah.
very
Right.
positive.
It feels nice though when
Maybe
you
that
come to
was
these
the fault.
sessions, because you're like, hey, this is the.
Yeah,
this is
probably.
what we're
doing,
doing.
yeah. Yeah,
Is this my water?
this is my
Okay, yeah. Are you sure?
This isn't math.
I know that's, but it's put in progress, yes, I know.
Yes, like this. So it opens. We put this thing, it picks it up, and then moves. Like. Yeah, we
Our
need to work on
reset
that.
is working though. That's
Yeah.
what
I know,
I
that's-
love
that's
this.
pretty
This
good.
is that we really need.
It goes
that.
back to that point,
It's so
right?
hard to
It's
do
good.
So everything else needs to be worked on except the reset.
Yeah, can you send me this code?
I'll put it on the.
Yeah.
Yeah, this code is big. Whatever you
So
got
I'm
in
gonna
here,
work
this is a
on it,
milestone.
so,
Yep.
like I can
It's the starting
add
point.
something.
Yeah.
But it's the same, like, but then your robot would do the same thing, kind of. I don't
Kinda,
know, it's not
yeah,
the same
sure.
exact, if it's exactly straight or something, but.
Ay, ay, ay.
Do you want us to leave that joint, Ben?
No. It'll be fine. Can you make this roller do the same thing? This one's doing the same thing, it's a little bit like a shield. Exact same code. Come on. I hate my life.
This one, it's not.
That's the same.
So it is based off of the original position. Correct.
Wait, I'm sorry.
This is, the
Yeah.
reset is based off the original position
Yeah.
of the arm.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I were to plug out power, do this, do that.
Exactly. Yep.
So
Vote
this
it
would
out.
be the.
And I plug it back in, right?
Are you running this this code?
I'm running the exact same reset code. I hate this thing so much.
Because
So it goes, then it's not based off of the power, it's based off of some of the code.
Hold on, do you have your?
Maybe it was installed differently?
It's the same, like, IDE and software.
No, we hooked up your servos to the same pins too.
It's all hooked up the same, so. I don't wanna break the circuit.
Unless